Hey guys, in this part we talk about lists in HTML. HTML lists allows web developers to group a set of related items in lists. Unordered HTML list. An unordered list starts with the UL tag. Each list item starts with the LI tag. The list items will be marked with the bullets or small black circles by default. So, for example, create a UL tag and LI list item coffee and another LI tea and milk. Ctrl S and Ctrl R. This is my list and small black circles. Ordered HTML list. An ordered list starts with the OL tag. Each list item starts with the LI tag. The list items will be marked with number by default. So, create a HR tag and OL tag and LI coffee and Ctrl C and Ctrl V, Ctrl S and Ctrl R, 1, 2 and 3. HTML description lists. HTML also supports description lists. A description list is a list of terms with a description of each term. The DL tag defines the description list. The DT tag defines the term or name, and the DD tag describes each term. So, HR tag and DL tag, DT for the term coffee and DD for description black hot drink and another DT tag milk and Ctrl C and Ctrl V and white cold drink, Ctrl S and Ctrl R. Coffee is a black hot drink and milk is a white cold drink.